Hello student, in today's class we will discuss about opcode and operand of 8085 microprocessor. Last class we have discussed interrupt of 8085 microprocessor. There is a content, what is an opcode, what is an operand. At the end of the class you will be able to understand what is an opcode and operand, what is machine cycle, what is mnemonics with example. Now let us start from machine cycle. CPU understand only the binary language, that is either 0 or 1. The machine code is the binary format. That means it is 00011100 like this. The machine code is the binary format of an instruction to be executed by the CPU. Means the machine code is the binary form of an instruction that is to be executed by the CPU. It has two parts, that is operand and opcode. Suppose the machine instruction is add #45. Add is the operation code or opcode and 45 is the operand. Mnemonics code. Assembly language uses symbolic code instead of binary or to represent the opcode known as mnemonic code. Mnemonic code is the symbolic representation of the operation code. Means mnemonic is represented by the symbolic, that is add, subtraction, move, etc. That is not in the form of binary, means 001110 in the form. Converted into machine code by the assembler. Machine code is the binary form and mnemonics is the symbolic representation of the operation. Mnemonic converted into machine code through the assembler. Here is the main example is given. Now what is opcode? It is also known as operation code. It is part of the instruction that specify the operation to be performed by the instruction. N-bit opcode is used to represent it 2 to the power n instruction. That is, there is 4-bit, then 2 to the power 4, that is 16 instruction. Each instruction contains two parts, that is operation code or opcode and operand. The first part of an instruction which specifies the task to be performed by the computer is called opcode. Suppose the instruction to be specified, the task is add B. This one is called the opcode or operation code. Operand. The operand is the data or memory location used to execute that instruction. The second part of the instruction is the data to be operated on and it is called operand. Add B instruction is given. The first part of the instruction is the opcode or operation code and second part of the instruction is operand. First part of the instruction that specified the data or the memory location of the data on which the operation will be performed. Types: immediate register, memory address, or implied, which we'll discuss in addressing mode. Here is the example: 1 plus 2, that is 1 and 2 is the data or operand. Which operation is performing here? Addition operation. That one is the opcode or operation code. Various examples are given here. Zero address instruction. In zero address instruction, the second part of the instruction is not given. CMA, this one is the first part of the instruction, that is opcode. Now first address instruction, add 06H LDA 20H. Add is the one opcode is here, and 06 is the data or operand, means it is the one address instruction. One operand is given there, so it is one address instruction. Move R1, R0 or add AX, BX. Move or AD is the opcode. R1, R2 is the first data, that is first operand and second operand. Similarly, AX and BX1 is the first and second operand. Now, three address instruction means there is three operand is present. Add R1, R2, R3. Add is the opcode. R1, R2, R3 is the first operand, second operand and third operand. Similarly, in SUB, sub R1, R2, R3, sub is the opcode and R1 is the first operand, R2 is the second operand and R3 is the third operand. So it is three address instruction. Thank you.